Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. And friends, this video is very important because I'm going to tell you after 2 years what will be your salary, and in a company, in your first company, how many years you should spend. So all these things we will talk in this video, and this will give you a clear idea that what exactly you have to do. Also, if you are getting any testing profile or the customer support profile, then what you need to do so that after 1 or 2 years, when you quit the company, you should have a very good job offer. So please watch the video till the end. And I wanted to tell you, so if you have still not followed our Instagram page, then do it right now, because all the updates, either it is which company is better or any kind of salary, and each and everything we are doing through our Instagram page itself. So if you have still not followed, please do it right now. Okay, so the link will be given in description. Now let us move towards our discussion part. So I have taken down here 5 companies. So it is not that I am going to discuss only about this 5 companies. So it will cover, I mean, the basic idea is with respect to all the companies. Okay, so the expected salary after 2 years, so that we will be seeing it here. Now, so the top MNC where most of the students get selected are TCS Ninja, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Accenture, and Capgemini. Also, their package has been mentioned here. So TCS pays the less, 3.36. Wipro pays 3.5. After training, your package will become 3.75 LPA. Okay, so all those things we will see. And then Infosys pays 3.6 LPA. Cognizant pays 4 LPA, and Accenture 4.5 lakhs per annum, and Capgemini 4 LPA. Now, so this is salary as a fresher, and basically for the system engineer role or software engineer role, whatever you say. So being a fresher, the company will be paying you that much of amount. Now, so many of you will be getting also customer support jobs, technical support job, okay, tech support job, and many of you will be also getting better development jobs. Okay, many of you will be getting the better testing jobs, many of you will be getting the automation jobs. So these are the profiles. Okay, so these are the profiles basically will be available in all these companies. Now first, let us understand about the salary structure. So if we'll talk about TCS, so you will be joining 3.36 LPA. Now, after 2 years, your salary will be in the range of 4 to 4.25. Okay. See, it depends upon your performance. Okay. It depends upon multiple things, but a average package will be 4.4 to 4.25 LPA. Now, many of you will comment, sir, after 2 years, my salary is this. After 2 years, my salary is this. So as I said, so this is a average salary. We have calculated average salary because there are many factors, performance, bonus, a lot of factors are there based on that. So I'm just giving you an idea. Okay, so after 2 years also your salary will be around 4 to 4.25. If we'll talk about Infosys, then after 2 years your salary will be, so right now your salary is 3.6. Basically, if I wanted to say in a simple way, then in 1 year, so you will be having an increment from, okay, 20k to 50k. Okay, so again depends upon the performance. So if you are a top performer, if you are average performer, if you are below average performer, so this will be what your uh, you can say this is the hike. Okay, so in TCS, so it happens on the band. So we have D band, C band, B band, A band, and they have also fixed like 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k. Okay, other companies will there will be percentage basis hike will be there. So all this aspects you have to think, but you should have a idea in mind that after 2 years you will be getting a salary of this much. So TCS will be giving you almost 4 to 4.25. If we'll talk about Infosys, so you have right now 3.6 LPA. So again, TCS also will be paying you some, Infosys also will be paying you somewhat same. So 4 to 4.4 LPA. Okay, after 2 years. Accenture, our salary is 4.5 LPA. So if we'll talk about, after 2 years, so your salary will be 5 to 5.5 LPA. Okay, so after 2 years. Then, so see here, you see what is the salary increment. So 3.36, 3.4, so almost 80,000. Okay, now So here if you'll see 3.6, so again 4 to 4.4. Accenture 4.5 LPA, so 5 point. So basically in 2 years you will be having an increment of around 80 to 1 lakhs. Okay, Wipro. So Wipro is initially Wipro will be paying you 3.5 LPA. Okay, and after your training your package will become 3.75 LPA. So again here for see all this mass recruiter company will be having the similar kind of package after 2 years. If we talk about Capgemini, so your package will be around 4.8 to 5 LPA. Okay, after 2 years. So this is a kind of average package you can think in your mind. So after 2 years your package will be around, okay, so in between 4 to 5 any company you join of this type. Okay, because their salaries, so except Accenture, all other companies package will be your 4 to 5 LPA after 2 years. Okay, so again see, as I said, so it depends upon your performance, how good you are performing. So there will be a lot of factors will be there, but I am telling here you a average package. Now, so friends, what if you are getting a customer support or a technical support job uh, in any of the companies? Please try to understand, this is a very very important factor here. So what if you are getting, okay, any kind of like customer support, okay, or technical support, then how you will be able to switch to a different company? Friends, I will tell you, so you should never be in a company for more than 2 years. I know many of you will be there from 4 5 years, and then you will say no, I am telling you wrong, but I will tell you why I am telling that. Okay, so friends, please understand it carefully. So in any company as a fresher, so when you join as a fresher, okay, so when you join as a fresher, okay, so in any of the company you should not be for more than 2 years, because in the same company you will never get a very good hike. Okay, see, as I said, so in 2 years your package will be what? So you suppose you joined at 3.6. Now after 2 years your package will be 4.45. Another 2 years, okay, so another 2 years down the line your package will be 6.5 LPA. That is what. Okay, so after 4 years your package will be around 6.5 LPA. Now I myself, okay, so I joined with a package of 3 LPA. So that time the package was less. Okay, and after 2 years I had a package of around 4.2. Okay, and then after 2 years I switched to a different company and I got almost 100% hike. Okay, and I mean more than 100 basically, and my package was 9 LPA. But in the same company my package after 4 years would have become 6.5 LPA, but within 2 years, like after 2 point, actually I left it after 2 year and 3 months. So for the 2 months I was in notice period. So after 2.3 years itself my package was 9 LPA. So friends, in any of the company you should not be for more than 2 years as a fresher. See, later on based on the experience you can be for more years, but in the beginning of your career never do this mistake. Okay, now, so how to change the role? See, you got customer profile or tech support profile, then what you have to do, so with your job, okay, you have to start learning some of the good languages, like you have to start data structure and algorithm. See, a company will not expect much from a 1 year or 2 year experience guy. So after 1 or 2 years if you are switching, suppose you joined Infosys or TCS or any company and you got customer support or tech support profile. Now after a year or 2 years, company will not be expecting more from you. So if you have basic knowledge of DSA, or if you have basic knowledge of, basic means say DSA, machine learning, you have done some kind of project. Okay, so during your customer support or tech support job, if you are learning some technology or so full stack development courses you have done, okay, so anything, if you want to change your profile, or in automation if you have learned Python and if you know the basics of any automation project, or if you have done any kind of automation project, so based on all this you will be easily able to switch to any companies, because from 1 year or 2 year graduates company will never ask you more things. See, if you're 5 years if you're 5 years experience, if you have 10 years experience, then definitely company expectation will be a lot. You should know this, you should know that, you should come from the moon, you should come from the sun. So all those things after 5 or 10 years like experienced guys they will ask, but from 1 or 2 years experience guys companies will not ask much. So keep that in mind. And along with your job, you should learn so that you will be able to perform well and you will be able to get a very good package. So it depends upon you. How can you make your package very good after 2 years? So after 2 years, a switch is definitely required. Okay. So friends, if you think that we are passing the genuine information, then do subscribe to our channel and also share with your friends, because we are really putting a lot of effort. So here you can see one video like which company is better, and definitely it has got the very good response. So based on that, I have made a video and I think it will help you a lot. Thank you. Take care. All the best.